To share, so you're on a bike, you're gonna be very courteous and respectful of those that are just walking, jogging, whatever. So you've got this nice path here that kind of goes throughout, and coming up to this spot, if I stay on this thick one, it's gonna kind of wind me down out of the park. I'm gonna take a right here on this little path. It'll keep me inside. You're doing this with your kids to train them, or yourself. Get out there and learn in a safe environment. Scoot right here along the edge of the outfield. Stop for a minute. Look at them. Great views out here. Vegetation's down now. You can see a good amount. Great place to come up and chill, check things out. But you got a good amount of space here. I would say it's comparable to Malcolm X Park. The size and kind of layout. Opportunities for cycling, specifically. Back up to where we were, and you got some more nice room and space over here as well. So there you go, Ronan. Great place to chill, have fun, get some healthy exercise and outdoors.